Hello everyone, welcome to GlobeTech Engineering Solutions YouTube channel. Today we'll do the circular pattern to a sketch or to a model. First you need to open the gateway of the SolidWorks and go to model, then open the sketch. Now I will draw a circle of any random dimension because we need to do the command. So I'll apply a dimension. Then you can extrude the circle so that a circular model will be appeared. So on this circular surface you need to create one more circle or one more profile which you want to do the pattern. So now I will create a normal profile. So after that you need to select the circular pattern. Okay, so now the circular pattern is ready to draw. Okay, a small hole has been created now. So we need to apply circular pattern to this small profile. Okay, now we'll apply it. So now the circular pattern is generated. So